Look, it comes down to one absolute choice that can completely alter the trajectory of your existence, and that is the decision to begin again from scratch. You have to sit down and be honest with yourself about that. Maybe you have stumbled, maybe you have let precious time slip through your fingers, and maybe you have watched the vision you had for your life slowly fade into the background. But listen to me very closely, because this is where everything shifts. Your past is nothing more than a box unless you voluntarily choose to lock yourself inside it. Every single morning when that sun comes up, it delivers a clean slate, an entirely new arena, and a fresh opportunity to elevate yourself into someone far more dangerous, far more capable. Life does not care where you have been or how many times you have fallen flat on your face. Life demands to know where you are willing to take it next. Success is entirely predictable, and as I have always lived my life believing, it is never a matter of luck or magic, but the direct result of relentless hard work and absolute discipline. If your life is not sitting at the level you demand it to be, stop complaining, stop looking for a scapegoat, and stop giving yourself an out. You wake up, you shoulder the responsibility, and you start putting the pieces back together. Every legendary career, every unforgettable legacy, and every life that matters shares one single defining moment. It is that exact point in time when a person looks in the mirror and declares that enough is enough. No more excuses, no more putting things off, and no more settling for a fraction of what you are capable of achieving. That precise moment can be right now, today. You do not need a flawless history or a clean sheet. You need a hard-line decision built brick by brick, habit by habit, day after day. You have the power to engineer a completely new level of confidence, a bulletproof discipline, and a future that belongs entirely to you. The greatest comeback you will ever stage is not about proving the doubters wrong or sticking it to the critics. It is about proving to yourself what you are truly made of and what you can become when you push past every single barrier. We are going to break down how to lock in, take total command, and rewire your mindset, your daily routine, and your entire reality. Because as I always tell people who ask me about the Mamba mentality, it is never too late to reinvent your game, but it is always too early to quit. You wake up, you stand your ground, and you build the masterpiece you were put here to create. There comes a moment in every human existence, a silent, heavy moment when you strip away all the noise, look straight into your own eyes, and ask the hardest question possible. Is this really all I am capable of? That single question has the power to reshape your universe, because the exact day you stop lying to yourself is the day you start constructing a brand new reality. Success remains completely predictable, never left to chance or superstition, but forged through sweat, grit, and unyielding discipline. Because true success begins long before the buzzer sounds or the trophy is handed over, starting instead with a raw, uncompromising decision to wake up, not just out of physical sleep, but out of the complacency, the fear, and the comfort zones that keep you playing small. Most people spend their entire lives waiting for a lucky break, a better contract, more capital, or easier circumstances, when what they actually need is an entirely upgraded version of themselves, because your life will never elevate past the standard of the person you have forced yourself to become. Change the person in the mirror, and you instantly change the outcome on the court of life. The single greatest investment you will ever make is the investment you pour back into your own growth, studying your craft, expanding your mind, thinking on a higher plane, tightening your habits, and hardening your character, because everything of true value grows directly out of who you are evolving into. Don't sit around wishing things were easier, wish you were better, because challenges will always show up, obstacles will always crowd the floor, and disappointments will always test your resolve. But every single one of those hurdles is nothing more than an invitation to grow stronger, sharper, and more lethal in your approach. Think about an elite structure built on a cracked foundation. You can paint the walls all you want, upgrade the fixtures, and fill the rooms with luxury. But if the foundation is weak, the whole thing collapses the second pressure hits, and your life operates under the exact same law, where your mindset, your discipline, your core values, and your daily habits form the foundation you must reinforce before you worry about anything else. Too many people waste years trying to tweak their external environment while completely ignoring the internal engine, forgetting the universal principle that superior thinking creates superior decisions forge elite habits, and elite habits construct an unstoppable life, all of which starts with you. Every single morning hands you a clean possession, a brand new baseline, and while yesterday is sealed in the record books, today is completely up for grabs, meaning every sunrise quietly challenges you to prove yourself all over again. Never underestimate the compounding power of microscopic improvements, whether it is reading 10 pages, pushing through an extra 30 minutes of conditioning, locking down your goals, or mastering one new detail, because those tiny, unglamorous reps are how greatness is built when stacked consistently across days, months, and years. Discipline is the absolute bridge connecting your wildest ambitions to your actual achievements, proving that dreams and hope alone are empty calories unless you back them up with relentless, disciplined execution, honoring every single promise you make to yourself, which is how true confidence is forged and how an unbreakable character is cast. The person you are right now is not the person you are obligated to be a year from now, because growth and transformation are choices you make, starting with a philosophy that refuses to let your past dictate your ceiling. Your past history is nothing more than context that explains where you started, but it has zero authority over where you are finishing, meaning you are never trapped by yesterday's missed shots, but entirely shaped by today's aggressive execution, turning every disciplined choice into another solid brick until people look up, see your success, and wonder how it happened overnight, while you know the exact truth that it started the moment you took total responsibility, stopped making excuses, and began rebuilding yourself from the ground up. Stop waiting for the stars to align or for a perfect moment that doesn't exist, because this exact moment is all the ammunition you need to wake up to your true potential, your true purpose, and the limitless territory still ahead. Because the ultimate project you will ever work on is yourself, and when you fix that, every single piece of your life falls into alignment. You have to understand that you cannot construct a championship future while carrying the dead weight of yesterday's failures. Because while the past has immense value as a teacher, a tool for film study, and a reminder of what not to do, it was never meant to be a permanent residence. People waste lifetimes looking backward, endlessly replaying missed opportunities, broken promises, and what-ifs that drain their energy and rob them of today's possessions, forgetting that success is entirely predictable through hard work and discipline, caring nothing about where you started and everything about what you are willing to deliver right now. Your future does not care about your slump. It answers exclusively to the execution you put on the floor today, meaning every champion has a history of losses, every confident performer has stared down doubt, and every powerhouse has tasted weakness, with the only difference being that they refuse to unpack their bags in the valley of failure, choosing instead to make peace with the past and get right back to work. Stop wishing for an easier path and start demanding that you become a better competitor, recognizing that the pen writing your next chapter is firmly in your hand, and looking in the rearview mirror while driving at high speed is a surefire way to crash your life into a wall, which is why your entire focus belongs on the windshield right in front of you. Do not let one brutal quarter convince you the game is over, because one missed shot is not your identity, one bad stretch is not your destiny, and every single morning hands you a brand new page to write a masterclass. There comes a point where you must forgive yourself, not because the mistake didn't happen, but because dragging guilt around like an anchor serves zero purpose. So you take the lesson, accept the accountability, and move forward with ruthless clarity, because real growth starts the second regret ends. Discipline remains the absolute bridge between your goals and your rings, built today through actions that scream you refuse to let yesterday dictate your tomorrow, turning every single good habit into another step away from who you used to be, and another step toward the absolute peak of your capabilities. The beauty of this game is that you can always reset, not next season or next month, but right now, with one definitive decision, one clean habit, and one uncompromising commitment, proving that you do not need perfection to win, you just need relentless progress. The deadliest competitors are never the ones who have never lost a game. They are the ones who refuse to let a loss have the final say, getting back up, studying the tape, adjusting their approach, and driving straight back to the basket, turning today into a fresh starting line where you carry only the lessons, the wisdom, and the cold-blooded determination to dominate every single day that follows. Let me break down a fundamental truth about how this works, because your future isn't built on one massive play. It is built on the accumulation of thousands of micro decisions executed to perfection day in and day out, meaning the reality you experience right now is the direct payout of the habits you repped yesterday, and tomorrow's box score will reflect the choices you make right now. Success does not materialize out of thin air. It is carved out slowly, quietly, and persistently through the power of compounding execution, much like water cutting through solid rock, not through sheer force, but through absolute consistency, which is why underestimating small improvements is a rookie mistake, Because one extra workout, one extra book, or one extra hour of focus is just another brick in the wall of your dominance. Discipline acts as the bridge, and your daily routines are the building blocks. Whether it is choosing to put in the work instead of checking out, planning your attack instead, winging it, or investing in your growth instead of squandering your hours, turning ordinary actions into an extraordinary career. Success hides in plain sight within the most basic disciplines. Waking up before the sun, putting your body through the fire, feeding your mind with high-level strategy, keeping your word to yourself, and repeating that cycle tomorrow, next week, and next year until the rest of the world looks at you and calls it a gift, while you know it was just the work. Think of it like planting a seed, where you don't drop it in the dirt today and throw a parade tomorrow, but rather you water it, shield it from the elements, and grind in the dark day after day until growth bursts through the surface, proving that your habits are seeds and every single disciplined action is planting something that will eventually bear fruit. Never wish for an easier opponent. Wish your skills were sharper, focusing on that 1% daily improvement that compounds until you look back and realize you have transformed into an entirely different beast, completely immune to the inconsistency that traps everyone else, because motivation comes and goes, but discipline stays in the gym when the lights are off. You become what you repeatedly execute, meaning if you feed excuses, excuses become your baseline, but if you feed discipline, discipline becomes your identity, forged over years and years of mastering the little things, like waking up 30 minutes early, tracking your progress, and honoring your own standards, until a disciplined morning turns into a disciplined year, and a disciplined year builds an unshakable life. When people look at you down the road and ask how you pulled off the transformation, they will look for some magical shortcut or secret formula, but you will smile because you know the truth. It was the work nobody filmed, the reps nobody applauded, and the ruthless consistency you maintained when the arena was completely empty. If you want to change your output, you change your input, upgrading your mindset because your life will never rise above the ceiling of who you choose to be. And true success is not an accident, but the inevitable byproduct of daily self-mastery. Real change happens from the inside out, shifting your philosophy so your decisions sharpen, your habits tighten, and your results explode, meaning you stop crying for an easier life and start demanding that you become strong enough to handle the storm, anchoring yourself with deep roots of integrity, patience, and unwavering responsibility that nobody can ever strip away from you. Someone can take your trophies, your money, or your starting spot, but they can never take your work ethic, your knowledge, or the character you forged in the dark, which is why investing in your own internal architecture is the ultimate play. Discipline is the bridge that turns raw potential into championship hardware, attracting opportunities, earning the trust of your teammates, and opening doors that sheer talent could never unlock on its own. Because when you level up your character, success stops being something you chase and becomes something that naturally gravitates towards you. Real transformation rarely looks cinematic in the moment. It looks like waking up when your bed is warm, studying when you want to sleep, and refusing to complain when things go sideways, piling up microscopic wins until the accumulation becomes undeniable to everyone watching. Trust the process, respect the grind, and understand that just like a seed developing deep root systems underground before it ever breaks the surface, your daily execution is building something massive even when nobody is clapping for you, until one day you look back at the footage of your life and see that every single breakthrough started with the decision to take total control. There's a massive gap between players who are merely participating and competitors who are out there leading with absolute intention, refusing to drift through possessions, refusing to react to the defense, and refusing to let circumstances dictate the final score. Because intentional living means knowing exactly where you are attacking, structuring your day around that objective, and treating every single minute on the clock as a precious asset that will never be refunded. You cannot afford to let distractions dictate your game plan or let external noise pull your focus away from the fundamentals, because everyone gets the exact same 24 hours on the shot clock. And the only difference between winning and losing is whether you invested those hours or wasted them on careless plays. Your attitude is your ultimate defensive stance, meaning when adversity hits and the game gets physical, you don't fold or start pointing fingers. You choose your response, lock in deeper, and turn every challenge into fuel, knowing that a legendary life isn't handed out by chance, but earned through meticulous daily choices that mold your character and seal your legacy. Wake up every morning with a game plan. Attack the floor with a purpose and refuse to let anyone else write the script of your career, because the moment you stop letting life happen to you and start making life happen on your terms, you stop just playing the game and you start owning the outcome, one calculated decision, one flawless habit, and one intentional day at a time. I am leaving you with this final truth to take back to the locker room. Your legacy is never shaped by one single shot, but by the thousands of unseen repetitions that preceded it, meaning success is predictable, hard-earned, and built on the unyielding foundation of discipline, where every single sunrise hands you a fresh court, a clean slate, and another chance to separate yourself from the pack. So you leave the excuses in the past, lock your focus on the windshield, put in the relentless work on yourself, and go build an unforgettable